What's up, homies? We're gonna go through how to use the best damn learning software in the world. I've got my trashy green screen ready and my pajamas on. Let's go. No joke, as ugly and bare bones as this program is, Anki has changed my life in so many positive ways and not just academically. Yeah, we get it, the program doesn't look that flash, but
it's what's on the inside that counts.
The reasons why Anki is so effective will be in the description. This is a video to just get started quickly. I promise that by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped with the skills to apply this program to your life in more than just an academic setting. Alrighty, let's go! So we're going to start with a blank Anki page, and we're only going to be needing these buttons for this tutorial. That's pretty much all you need to actually navigate Anki, but I'm also going to show you some really useful add-ons which make Anki even better than it already is. Is it installed? If not, just head to the Anki main page, just type in Anki, this page, click download, click whatever downloader suits your device, and it should install in like less than 2 minutes once you click this, because it's a really lightweight program. Now that you've got Anki installed and open, you want to make an Anki account. So go up to the top right corner and click sync, and then click sign up, follow the web page form, and then sign in here, and that's it. Now for a big fat continuity error, you can sync your Anki cards on your laptop, you can sync them on your mobile, also as inbuilt dark mode. And you can have them on your tablet, but this tablet is broken. Oh, who's that? And on pretty much every device, because it's cloud connected. You just press sync and all of your cards collect together. You can either make your own cards and decks, which I suggest you do for as much content as possible, or you can go to the Anki shared decks page. If you've got an amazing teacher, they may have already created an Anki deck for your class already. Shout out to any teachers who have done that. Ask your teacher if they've got a deck for you to download, and they may have uploaded it to the shared decks page. And if they're not that good of a teacher, they may have made a Quizlet deck, which you can just convert over to Anki anyway. Installing decks is an absolute piece of cake, so I'm just gonna find a random one. Find what you're interested in on the shared decks page, click download, and it is so fast. Look, I've downloaded this, I just click OK. And boom, it's installed already. Oh yeah. Make sure once you've downloaded it to click sync so it hops onto your cloud so you can access it anywhere. Since I am musically incompetent, I'm gonna delete this deck. Alrighty then, cuds, enough mucking about. Let's make some cards then, shall we? Alright, it's a brand new day and we're gonna make some cards for 6 example topics. I've tried to encapsulate a wide range of areas so that it can hopefully inspire some creativity and give you some ideas when you're making your own cards.
Follow along for maximum learning power.
Alright, with our fresh new Anki profile, we're gonna go down to the middle here and click create deck, and I'm gonna make one for all of the subjects. Starting off with languages, this is how you add cards. Alright, click add up here, and the way it works is by up on the left here, you can choose the type of card. There might be a few less on yours. The only ones you really need to worry about for now are basic and close, and I'll show you image occlusion enhanced in a moment. And whatever you've got selected as your target deck, when you click add, it will slot the card into the deck you've chosen. So I'll make a quick example card. Let's just grab a word that I want to remember. Apricity. Put that on the front of the card, put the warmth of summer on the back of the card, like that, add, boom. There we go, and I go look at the card, here's what it looks like. What is apricity? Oh, it's the warmth of summer. And let's say you're learning English and you want to know what this thing is. So I'm going to go copy image, put that on the front, and say, I'm going to write on the front of the card, what is this? Put on the back of the card, combine harvester. Harvester. I then close that, get rid of this. Let's have a look at our new card. So we saw that one. What is this? Active recall. It's a combine harvester. Yes, I was correct. Remind me in 4 days. Now for learning a new language, I wouldn't suggest making too many cards yourself for languages. So choose whatever language you want, but there are more options than the ones that are listed here, like there is Italian. And you just have to type those in. Damien, please update that and put more languages in here. And because I'm a weeb, I'm gonna click Japanese. These two are both good decks because they're both comprehensible input decks. And if you can find comprehensible input decks for languages, I suggest you prioritize those. There's a link in the description about comprehensible input and why it makes language learning so quick. So that deck's placed itself down here, but I'm gonna move it up here as a sub-deck of the languages deck. Or I can go inside it, click browse, select all of the cards within it, right? And I can change them and put them into that deck originally. But you know, it's fine to just leave them how they are. Alright, let's try it. And I think I know that. You can press R. I've watched enough Naruto to know what that is. So you press R to replay the audio. I think it's like this or that. Sorewa. Yeah. Oh, this, that. Yeah! Add a voice to it. Tamago maki. Let's look at my great card. Egg roll. Tamago maki. Alright, that should be enough for languages. Let's do medicine. For medicine, I'm gonna show off one of the best damn add-ons you could possibly get. To get add-ons, just type in Anki add-ons and you can find them here. Here's the image occluder. You must get it. To install add-ons, it's really easy. You just go to the add-on that you would like, you find the page for it, and you find the download code. You then go up to tools and go add-ons, then go get add-ons, and then you copy the code in, and it should install. But I've already got this one installed, and then you just restart Anki and then it'll be working. So what I'm gonna do with this add-on, I'm gonna grab an image that I want to create questions out of. I'm gonna go copy. And when I go add, if you've got the image occluder added on, you click this button, this fantastic button, and it will grab whatever image is on your clipboard. Pretty much the only important buttons on this whole sketchy little program is this one and these two. That's it, pretty much. Just grab that. I'm gonna put this over there.
2, 3, 4.
And you've got the options to hide all, guess one, and hide one, guess one. But I'm gonna go hide all, guess one. What that does is detect every box I've placed over an image and make an individual card for it. You'll see what that looks like here. So let's have a look at the cards that it just generated. The one highlighted red is what the question is asking for. I wonder what that red one is. Oh, frontal lobe. Yay! That's one of the 4 cards, and the other 3 just have red boxes in the different locations. So this image occluder add-on is really useful for anatomy, but it's also really good if you create cards like this for your students. Here are some other examples of how I've used it. That's the image occluder. Thanks to this guy for making it, Glutamate. So I found this little trivia website. Let's do this question. How frequent are quotidian tasks? Daily. However, this time around, I'm going to show you a new type of card, and it's called the close deletion card, or just close. Close deletions don't actually have a front and back side of a card, they just have a front side. But when you show the answer, it reveals a hidden part of the front side. The question was originally, how frequent are quotidian tasks? And the answer was daily, but I'm going to make this quotidian tasks occur in daily intervals, that I'm going to use close deletion on the word daily, which is this button here, right? And then it adds these special brackets. And what that does is pretty damn cool. It hides the word that we want to use for active recall. Close basically means fill in the blanks or complete the sentence. Let's say you wanted to remember this quote word for word. These are alternative close options. For every unique integer following C creates a new card, and they can look like this. 2 C1s creates 1 card with 2 closes, and if I did C1 and C2, it would create 2 separate cards, each with 1 close, and this can scale upwards. So take a guess at what this card will do. Pause the video and have a guess. This card has 4 closes that will create 3 new cards, and one of the cards will have 2 closes on it at once, and the other 2 will have 1 close. And the one with 2 closes looks like this. The extra column is just bonus stuff that appears when you show the answer. So the card really does have a backside. You're breathtaking. So hopefully that gives you some ideas, some stuff you can use.